Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power off and let the unit sit 5 to 10 minutes to cool. This reduces risk and gives baseline temps. Once cool, remove panels and inspect fan blades, vents, and heat sinks for dust or obstruction. Dust blocks airflow and raises temps. You should use compressed air in short bursts and a soft brush. Avoid spinning fans by hand. Make sure to ground yourself to prevent static damage, and keep screws organized so reassembly is smooth. Once the case is open and initial cleaning is done, you perform deeper maintenance. Remove fans and heat sinks if accessible, and clean fins and bearings thoroughly because trapped dust limits conduction. Then check the thermal interface. If paste is cracked or dry, remove it with isopropyl alcohol and apply a thin, even layer of new thermal paste to improve heat transfer. After reassembly, run a controlled stress test and monitor temperatures so you can confirm whether the issue is resolved or a component is failing. You finish by reassembling carefully, ensuring fans spin freely and no cables obstruct airflow. Correct mechanical issues stop immediate overheating. Once assembled, update firmware and drivers, adjust power settings, and set fan curves so cooling responds to load. This prevents recurring spikes. If temperatures remain high despite good airflow and fresh thermal paste, replace the suspected fan or heat sink, because worn bearings and degraded fins reduce capacity. If problems persist, note your temperatures and steps taken. This helps
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.